Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Canon Pixma TS 3350, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the cartridges on this printer. So let's start. Basically, it's not difficult to do to change the cartridges. You just need to open the lid. So here, as you can see, we have the place where we have cartridges. As you can see, it's here, and we just need to open it, but I don't know how to show you it in the right way, you know. So maybe now you will see it. And here we have cartridges. As you can see, this is the one container, and here is the second one. And to open it, we just need to pull it down, and then pull it down second one, and just drag it. So here we have the black cartridges, as you can see, black, and here we have color cartridges. So you need to get out the old cartridges from your printer, and then just locate new one. You need to install a new one inside of the printer. So here I have the color cartridges. So here I have blue, yellow and red, and you need to install it on the left cartridges place. Install it and pull it up until you will hear the click. Then, in the same way, install the black one. It's really not maybe handy to do, but it's not difficult. Pull it up. And cool, then just need to close the lid. That's it. Now we can print documents. It was the first card after placing, and now as you can see, it's printing. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.